found me in this scrap bin the second I came out of the mold. I was built for a major project. Why am I the one treated like garbage?
Scene inspection complete. Missing corner. Incomplete fill. Classic short shot. The technician tried to revive the victim by fighting the machine, cranking injection pressure, raising melt temperatures, and tweaking parameters, but the part was still starving. Adjusting settings on the screen was nothing but a temporary band-aid on a fatal tooling wound. If the machine parameters are innocent, the cause of death lies deeper. We trace the clues back to the tooling structure. Inspecting the mold cavity reveals the true killer: severely insufficient venting and a restrictive runner system. The trapped air couldn't escape, forcing the plastic to suffocate and solidify prematurely. This wasn't a machine error. This was a short shot by strangulation. But here is the irony. To save the part from a short shot, the frantic technician overpressured the cavity, completely overpowering the machine's clamping force and blowing open the parting line. Now, a new victim is born. Flash. Until you find the real culprit, every panic fix on the shop floor just creates a new crime scene. The root cause behind this strangulation is uneven wall thickness, combined with an overly restrictive flow path. If adjusting the machine and repairing the tool still cannot close the case, you are looking at a congenital part design defect. Your only choice is to modify the 3D data. Every crime scene on the shop floor is just design, tooling, and process screaming for help after losing their balance. So before the next part becomes another case file, the best move is to catch the risk before cutting steel. At First Mold, we help product teams review DFM risks, mold structure, material behavior, and molding feasibility early, so problems like short shot and flash can be controlled before they become production costs.